Mahi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about this festive glam that I created with all these affordable products from Amazon. Now, without further ado, let's start the video. So I'm starting my makeup with Maybelline New York primer. This one is available for 494 rupees on Amazon, and I'm just dotting my face with it. Not actually dotting. I know I've taken like a lot of product, but that's because I like to apply a good amount of primer, especially in winters, to minimize all the pores, and इससे काफ़ी अच्छा finish आ जाता है. And the more I'm using this primer, the more I'm loving it. The only thing you have to keep in mind is कि इस प्राइमर को लगाने के बाद ना आपको एटलीस्ट 1-2 मिनट वेट करना है और कोई भी प्रोडक्ट इसके ऊपर लगाने में, so that it can settle into your skin beautifully. एंड इसके ऊपर जब आप फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर लगाओगे तो वो बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है. Then I am using my foundation from Fit Me Maybelline. I am in the shade 128. This one is available for only 421 rupees on Amazon, and again I'm dotting my face with it. Of course I am gonna apply it on my neck as well, क्योंकि काफ़ी डीप नेकलाइन है मेरे जो ड्रेस मैंने पहना है, तो उसके लिए आई हैव टू मैच माई फेस एंड नेक. सो इट्स लाइक अ गुड थिंग if you can apply makeup on your neck as well. Then I'm using this beauty blender from Color Bar, which is only available for 149 rupees, and it's so good. इसको ना मैंने डैम्प किया है. लाइक अगर आप डैम्प करते हो अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को तो काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है मेकअप. Then the next step that I'm doing is concealer. This concealer is so good. I love its applicator so much. This one is available in 531 rupees. I'm gonna mention everything in the description, like my shade and everything, and सारे links भी description में होंगे, so make sure that you check those out. Again, I'm taking my sweet time in blending these base products. It's so important कि आपका मेकअप कैसा दिख रहा है अगर आप अच्छे से blend करते हो तो. Next, I'm using Fit Me Maybelline का loose powder. This one is available for 527 rupees on Amazon. I'm gonna take more product for my under eyes. Then I'm just applying the powder with a fluffy brush all over my face to set all the product in its place. उसके बाद मैंने यूज़ किया है लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट का आई शेडो पैलेट. दिस वन हैज़ सच ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स, सच फेस्टिव कलर्स. आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज़ द पिंक शेड्स इन इट एंड क्रिएट अ लुक. आई एम यूजिंग अ मैट कलर फॉर द बेस ऑफ माई आई. अगेन द ट्रिक फॉर अ गुड आई मेकअप इज़ blend. So that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm taking this glitter shade. It's more of like in the metallic side, and I'm using my finger to apply it, क्योंकि ना ब्रश से जो glitter का इफेक्ट आता है और जो फिंगर से glitter का इफेक्ट आता है वो बहुत अलग आता है. And I think it just sits beautifully on your eye when you use your hands to apply it. Now I'm just dusting off the extra loose powder as my under eye is set. Then I'm using a pink color to apply on my lower lash line. Then I'm using this gold metallic shade to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eye. Next, to complete my eye look, I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. You guys, this mascara is so good. This one is available for 559 rupees only, and I absolutely love this product. Like ये product ऐसा है ना, you should have it in your makeup box for sure. This is such a good mascara. You can see how it looks. I'm gonna repeat the same steps on my other eye, and This is how my eyes are looking. I love how this look is turning out so far. Love the eye makeup. And for the face, I'm using this palette from Faces Canada. This is such a convenient palette, so travel friendly. This one is available for only 634 rupees on Amazon. So अगर आप मेरे जैसे हो जिसको कंटोरिंग करना इतना पसंद नहीं है, you can mix your contour plus blush powder that like I did, and apply it on your cheekbone. I'm taking like a fluffy blush brush and applying it all over my cheekbone and a little bit on the forehead to give it a symmetrical look. And of course I'm gonna apply it on my nose also, क्योंकि ना उससे ना काफ़ी अच्छा कलर आ जाता है. सो ऐसा नहीं लगता है, सूना सूना नहीं लगता है फेस पे. देयर इज़ सम कलर and I just love applying some blush on my nose. This is how it has turned out. Now I'm using the highlighter to apply on my cheekbone, a little on my nose as well. Next, I'm gonna use these two lipsticks. Basically, one is lip liner. This lip liner from Color Bar in burnt pink is so beautiful. Now I'm just lining my lips here to make your lips look filler. So overline karna is something that you should learn and definitely do. Like I've overlined my lips थोड़ा सा center of your lips को आपको थोड़ा सा overline करना होता है, ऊपर से भी या नीचे से भी. Then I'm finishing it off with this Rene lipstick. This is mini lipstick actually, and I love it so much. This is available on Amazon for 295 rupees only, and it's such a beautiful pink color. I love it. And lastly, the last step in this look is setting spray. I'm using this one from Sugar Cosmetics. This is such a good makeup setter, you guys, and itni अच्छी इसकी fragrance है. This one is available for 609 rupees on Amazon, and मैंने थोड़ा सा highlighter लिया है to apply on my body as well, like as a body shimmer. I love this palette. It's so versatile. You can actually use it as an eyeshadow palette as well. Yeah, this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. सारे links description में हैं products के लिए in case you wanna buy anything, and I think you should क्योंकि काफ़ी affordable है और Amazon पे काफ़ी अच्छे discounts पे available है. सब links आपको मिल जाएंगे description में. Comment करना मत भूलना please कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you super soon in my next video.